All right. So, hi, I'm Jaleesa. I did my assignment on um, newborn and birth of the baby. So, my first slide is going to give you a little information. There are three types of stages of labor. First stage is contracting of the uterus, which could take anywhere from 10 hours or more. Second stage is baby is delivered in a few minutes or a few hours. And third stage is your placenta is delivered. And then we move on to birth. The meaning of birth is the emerging of a baby or other young from the body of its mother. There are five different birth methods. The first one being vaginal, so the baby is born through the birth canal. Second one being cesarean section, which is delivered through a surgical incision. And then the next one, vaginal birth after cesarean, which is called VBAC. Vacuum extraction, which is applying a soft or grit cup with the handle of a pump to guide the baby's head out the birth canal. And forceps delivery is the operative vaginal delivery using a tool that is similar to solid tone. So forceps delivery is more so if your baby is feet down and head up. It's used to turn the baby or just to kind of give the baby a little tug down. Just if they're stuck, same way with vacuum extraction, that just sticks to the top of the baby's head and guides them down through the birth canal. Next one is birth complications, birth that does not progress, problems with the umbilical cord, abnormal heart rate, excessive bleeding, water breaking early. So birth that does not progress would mean if you're in labor for more than 8 hours, that's when it becomes a concern, a complication. So the doctors are discussing with you other options that you have as far as birth. Problems with the umbilical cord is just being like, example, maybe the umbilical cord is wrapped around your child's neck. Abnormal heart rate, that's when your heart rate is either too high or too low concerning you, or potentially the baby's heart rate is too high or too low. Excessive bleeding, if you're bleeding a lot during birth, that's definitely a complication and a concern. And your water breaking early, just meaning the baby is coming before they are actually ready. Newborn baby. A baby from birth to about 2 months of age is considered newborn. Newborns are also known as neonates. A few facts about newborns is learning to talk began in the womb for them. They are short-sighted. They're born with the ability to swim. They have more bones than adults. Birthmarks are common and stomachs are tiny. So the born with the ability to swim I thought was a really cool fact because I did not know that babies were born with the ability to swim fresh out the womb. So that's new for me. So I thought that was a really cool fact. And then some birth defects are abnormal shape of head, eyes, ears, mouth, or face, trouble eating, slow growth, heart problems, birth injuries such as brachial palsy, which is a group of nerves that supply the baby's arms, hands, that are injured would be considered a birth injury. Bruising or forceps marks, those forceps are what are used to turn the baby around again, so those marks are considered an injury. And this one is caput subdenium, which is swelling of soft tissues in the baby's body. So breathing problems, low birth weight, low blood sugar, nutritional problems would be all signs of birth defects for the baby. And then I went ahead and cited three websites as to where I got my fun facts from about the babies, like complications with labors, some cool facts about the baby, about the swimming that I had found, which was really cool, and some newborn complications, just knowledgeable things that I had found.